Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. What is past and what is not past may be clear, for our self-awareness pervades the dominion of our self-luminescence. Whatever particulars about the three bodies there may be taught, the unborn is clearly within the experience of emptiness. To be without bondage or liberation is the path of the middle way. Primordial Buddhahood is beyond the three extremes. Awareness that is beyond objects does not contemplate anything. The practice of not holding on is beyond all extremes. The wisdom of our awareness is inconceivable. Unborn wisdom is meaningful. We have no certainty in our thinking minds about anything. Without attributions, we are born into an equality with everyone. If we attribute this, we will lose the meaning of non-attribution. Do not ponder. Do not contemplate. Be free from practices. Dwell in the experience of luminous equanimity. In the wisdom that does not contrive the way that it is, we use the demarcations of analogy and exemplification. But whether we contrive it or we do not contrive it, the meaning will not be clear. Our analogy is the sky, and our words are clear. The sky does not change or destruct. Just so the Vajra of primordial luminosity does not change or destruct. The unborn is pervasively encompassing, like the sky. Great bliss is like wisdom. We do not abide by joining and separating, going or coming. We dwell in the dominion of the sky that is not still. The majestic dominion that gathers us all is the eternal way. We do not contemplate any clear light that is like it. It is like a river, a lotus, an island of precious jewels, a Garuda, the foundation of the earth. Mount Meru, the sun and the moon, its characteristic is that it is like a gemstone. This is to be explained by way of an analogous exemplification. Our true nature is pure. Our continuity is not cut off. We do not leave our own characteristics behind. We settle into not hunting. We pacify our problems. These things are explained in this way.